Across the continent, Africa is undergoing rapid urbanization as millions migrate to cities in search of economic opportunities. Current projections estimate that over half of Africa's population will be living in urban areas by 2035. To accommodate this surge, many countries are pursuing ambitious plans to build new cities from the ground up with state-of-the-art infrastructure and sustainable design principles. While still in development stages, these futuristic cities promise to transform the landscape of Africa in the coming decades. One such project is Kenya's Konza Technology City, a planned smart city located about 60 kilometers south of Nairobi. Set on 5,000 acres of land, Konza aims to become a leading technology and financial hub for East Africa powered entirely by renewable energy. In CGI renderings, gleaming skyscrapers covered in solar panels tower over green, pedestrian-friendly streets. Residents will live in compact, energy-efficient apartments connected by high-speed rail and driverless transport. The city's digital backbone will provide ultra-fast internet access alongside cutting-edge services in education, healthcare, and agriculture. By bringing together researchers, entrepreneurs, and global companies, Konza hopes to drive innovation across the continent. Another ambitious venture is Egypt's new administrative capital, a futuristic second city rising from the desert around 45 km east of Cairo. Slated for completion in 2030, the $58 billion project will serve as the country's new seat of government, while also providing contemporary living and working spaces. Drone footage reveals expansive developments taking shape across the barren landscape, with curving architecture, lush parks, and lakes designed to withstand the region's extreme climate. Transportation networks will utilize smart traffic control, electric buses, and automated metro lines to efficiently shuttle over 5 million residents. By decentralizing overpopulation pressures in Cairo, leaders envision the new capital as a model for sustainable growth. Ghana has unveiled plans for its Hope City, located 100 km north of Accra along the country's coast. As a zero-carbon, climate-resilient city, Hope City will utilize on-site renewable power and wastewater recycling to minimize its environmental impact. Renderings portray green-roofed skyscrapers interspersed with green spaces and tree-lined walkways. Standout features include vertical urban farms and laboratories focused on mitigating challenges like rising seas. Equipped with innovation centers and strategic partnerships with global governments, Hope City hopes to play a leading role in addressing climate change on the continent and pioneering eco-friendly urbanization models for the world. Further south, Namibia is developing its Bain Smart and Sustainable Industrial City, which will focus on industries like renewable energy manufacturing, agricultural processing, and logistics. Initial renderings visualize high-tech factories and wind turbines on the outskirts, surrounded by mixed-use zones and research parks. Special emphasis is placed on utilizing off-grid solutions, green construction methods, and sustainable mobility, like hyperloops and autonomous electric vehicles. By promoting investment and job creation through competitive tax incentives, Baines aims to become a key driver of Namibia's economic diversification and blue-green growth. As these cities continue evolving from visions to vibrant communities over the coming decades, they have the potential to reshape society across Africa. Combining advanced infrastructure, connected living, and sustainable systems tailored to local contexts, they herald a new era of prosperity, efficiency, and resilience. While challenges undoubtedly lie ahead in implementation, the futuristic cities now rising from Africa's soils signal both colossal ambition and hope for stewarding sustainable urbanization across the continent long into the future. Ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe, like, and feel free to share the video. Thanks to have stick with me all along the way. Peace and love.